United Clubs Organization Amuko President PH Devan Sharma today described as a positive step that the ongoing dialogue between the Government of India and NSC and IM is drawing to an end. He was hopeful that the Naga political talks will finally end with a positive outcome. Devan was speaking on the occasion of 22nd Manipur Integrity Day observance held at Amuko office, Kwakatel, Akham Lekai. He urged the Manipur government to work towards bringing equal development in the hills. On the other hand, speaking on the sidelines of the function, President of Kuki in P. Manipur, Pu Khaimang Chongloi stressed on the need of maintaining unity and brotherhood among all the ethnic communities for betterment of the state. Life in Nagaland capital Kohima has been disrupted by multiple landslides which have been triggered by incessant rains in the region. As per reports, life in Kohima has come to a screeching halt and road blockades have affected commuters travelling to and from the capital city. Apart from Nagaland, other northeastern Indian states such as Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Manipur have also been affected by landslides. Singjamai Silam Sintha Nupiluk and women folk of Singjamai Khetri Lekai Mairapai Biluk staged a sitting protest at Singjamai Thongam Lekai and Singjamai Thongkong demanding justice for Baby Sana, who allegedly committed suicide in the boarding of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur on July 18. The protesters appealed to the government to nab all culprits in the death of Baby Sana at the earliest possible. Development Organization Andhro Kendra today observed World Breastfeeding Week at the multi-purpose hall of Thambal New Market Complex, Andhro. Attending the event as the chief guest, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Syamkumar said that there is nothing to be ashamed in doing good deeds, but necessarily important for one to feel bad in wrongdoings. Convener of Act East Policy Committee Manipur, R.K. Sivchandra, said that the Kaisamthong constituency has been deprived of all benefits of government-sponsored schemes. Speaking at the cleanliness drive at Khagempally Pankha, Nganapithong, organized by Ideal Club and people of the locality, R.K. Sivchandra accused elected representatives of the constituency, past and present, of doing nothing for the development of the constituency. Home Minister Amit Shah held a meeting with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Home Secretary Rajiv Gauba today, days after security was reinforced across the Kashmir Valley after a terror threat. The Jammu and Kashmir administration had cut short the Amarnath Yatra on Friday and asked pilgrims and vacationers to leave the state after the terror threat, a media report said. The Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO has released the first set of pictures of art captured by Chandrayaan-2 Vikram lander. The images were released on Sunday by ISRO on microblogging site Twitter. Earth has been beautifully captured in the pictures by Chandrayaan-2 L14 camera. Chandrayaan-2 had successfully carried out the fourth Earth-bound orbit-raising maneuver for its lunar mission 2 days back. As many as 1,049 people in 6 villages have been affected by flooding in Raichur district of Karnataka. Personnel of the Army and the State Disaster Relief Force have been deputed for the rescue and relief operations in Belagavi district. A team of 90 Army, 43 SDRF and 75 fire and emergency personnel are working in the villages.